Beat the rush, mastering everyday English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, beat the rush. This expression is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding it can really enhance your conversational skills. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of this interesting phrase. First, let's break down what beat the rush means. To beat something in this context means to avoid or get ahead of something. The rush refers to a busy or peak time, often involving a lot of people. So, when you beat the rush, you are essentially avoiding the busiest times. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from shopping to traveling. Let's look at some practical examples where you might hear, beat the rush. Shopping. Let's go shopping early in the morning to beat the rush. Traveling. We should leave before dawn to beat the rush hour traffic. Restaurants. Let's have an early dinner to beat the dinner rush at the restaurant. These examples show how beat the rush is used to plan activities to avoid busy times. While beat the rush is the most common form, you might also hear variations like beat the crowd. Similar to beat the rush, it specifically refers to avoiding a large number of people. Get ahead of the rush. Another variation that conveys a similar meaning of preventing delay or inconvenience by acting early. Now, let's practice using beat the rush in conversational English. You can use this phrase when planning activities. If we leave now, we can beat the rush and have a more relaxed time. Giving advice. You should go to the bank early in the morning to beat the rush. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, beat the rush. We hope this video has been informative and helps you use this phrase confidently in your daily conversations. Remember, mastering such phrases can really enhance your English fluency. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.